We are going outside, which is Emma's favorite adventure ever. It's not snowing blizzard status, but
Look.
she's happy. Say hi, Emma. We're on the floor. Hello friends, I'm waiting for Andrews to park. We are gonna surprise my grandma for a little visit. We bought her some cheesecake and flowers, and Emma is here. Walking around the lobby. I'm just waiting for Andrews to park, and then we'll go in and we'll have some fun, and Emma will wreck her house like always. I'm sure she enjoys it though. Whatever.